give my comments about those who have already, came forward applying for this one. I think, as I mentioned in the first meeting, I think coming forward and applying is itself, it's a win, because you will realize that as if you are trying to fill these applications as a team, I think that is the best way. I think if we can continue this, the award ceremony for 5 years continuously, consecutive 5 years, I think our companies will come to a very good standard. I am very sure about it, and those who get involved will have a good knowledge about how a logistics company is being assessed by a third party. So these things are important. So thank you very much for those who are applying for the first time. We'll try to get more people to apply. So thank you.